Welcome to Celebrity Spotlight Radio, the show that brings you the latest insights into the world of celebrities, science, and everything in between. Today we have an intriguing topic to explore: Nibiru, the non-existent planet. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of celestial myths, debunked conspiracies, and real astronomical discoveries. Linked to the close of the Mayan calendar in 2012, a variety of doomsday rumors circulated, and one contender stood out among the rest: Nibiru, the supposed rogue planet that some claimed would collide with Earth. But despite the buzz, there's no scientific evidence supporting the existence of Nibiru. Our planet, as we all know, survived 2012 without any catastrophic collision. Nibiru had been linked to NASA by various bloggers, which prompted space agency officials to clarify that there was no such impending planetary threat. Let's delve into the science and history of this supposed rogue planet and explore the real object, Comet Elenin, which somehow got intertwined with the Nibiru myth. The story of Nibiru began in 1976 when Zecharia Sitchin wrote The 12th Planet, a book that proposed Nibiru as a planet with a 3,600-year orbit. Self-described psychic Nancy Leader later claimed that aliens had warned her of a 2003 collision, which was later moved to 2012 due to the Mayan calendar. But when Comet Elenin appeared in 2011, many thought it might be Nibiru in disguise, despite the fundamental differences between planets and comets. Instead of colliding with Earth, Comet Elenin strayed too close to the Sun and broke into pieces. These fragments will continue on their path in the outer solar system for thousands of years, still bits of comet, not a cohesive planet. Proponents of Nibiru often cite a 1984 scientific paper discussing infrared sources with no counterparts. However, the follow-up research revealed these sources as distant galaxies, not planets. A planet with a 3,600-year orbit would significantly disrupt the solar system's stability, a fact contradicted by our well-preserved celestial neighborhood. The most straightforward evidence against Nibiru's existence is its visibility to the naked eye. By April 2012, it should have been as bright as Mars at its dimmest, making it visible to astronomers worldwide. The claim of a cover-up is implausible given the many amateur and professional astronomers who continually scan the skies. While doomsday reports have been circulating for centuries, modern technology allows us to examine the scientific evidence more closely. The age of misinformation is also an age of fact-checking. But amidst the debunked Nibiru myth, there's another intriguing story in the world of astronomy: the hypothetical existence of Planet 9. Astronomers have noticed peculiar clustering in the orbits of small objects beyond Neptune. This evidence suggests a massive, unseen perturber far from the Sun. Calculations propose that this Planet 9 may be 10 times more massive than Earth, orbiting about 600 times farther from the Sun on average. Astronomers worldwide are currently scanning the sky, hoping to spot Planet 9 directly, potentially reclaiming the title of the solar system's ninth planet. A quick note on terminology: some researchers still refer to Pluto as the ninth planet, using the term Planet X for the undiscovered object. Planet X was also a term once used for a world thought to explain oddities in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune, but Pluto's discovery did not confirm this theory. So, Planet 9 or Planet X may exist, but it's not a harbinger of Earth's doom, unlike the mythical Nibiru. While Nibiru, the non-existent planet, captured the imagination of doomsday enthusiasts, it also made a brief appearance in the 2013 Star Trek film, Star Trek Into Darkness. In the film, Nibiru is portrayed as a distant world inhabited by savage tribes and threatened by a supervolcano about to erupt. Captain James Kirk and the Enterprise crew explore this lush, red jungle-covered planet, encountering challenges and dilemmas. The planet's exploration in the film presents a fascinating contrast to the real astronomical myths we've discussed today. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the myths, mysteries, and real science surrounding Nibiru and the potential existence of Planet 9. As always, stay curious, stay informed, and join us next time for another exciting episode. Thank you for tuning in.